Hi everyone, welcome to Module 5. In this video I'm going to walk you through Module 5's activities and assignments. So the first thing we can do is look at our agenda. In the agenda you'll see that we are continuing to address Learning Objective 4 from the syllabus. In particular, we are focusing on Chapters 8 and 9 in this module. Chapter 8 covers thinking, language, and intelligence, and Chapter 9 covers development across the lifespan. As we scroll down, you'll see again our reading assignment is to read Chapter 8 and Chapter 9 in your textbook. And next you'll see a video on decision making by Dr. Dan Gilbert. The video is a little bit old now, I think it's from 2005, but the content of the video is still applicable and relevant to your readings. It focuses on several reasons why we sometimes make bad decisions. The video is about 20 minutes long with a 10-minute question and answer session at the end, and you don't need to watch the 10-minute question and answer session at the end if you don't want to, so don't worry about that. Next, you'll see our Module 5 quiz, which again covers Chapter 8 and Chapter 9. It has 10 questions, and you'll have 30 minutes to answer all 10 questions. Next, you'll find our Module 5 discussion board. As usual, you'll have 2 prompts to respond to. For one prompt, you'll be asked to describe a time in your life in which you used either the representativeness heuristic, the availability heuristic, both of which are described in Chapter 8 of your textbook, Bernoulli's equation or framing, which are described in the video with Dr. Gilbert, to make a decision. So please let us know which of those 4 things you used to make a decision and explain why your example is a good example of one of those 4 things. And let us know the outcome of your decision as well, if you can. The second prompt asks you to consider all the life stages described in Chapter 9, which is development across the lifespan, And these range from infancy to late adulthood. And your task is to determine which one might be the prime of life. And there's no correct answer. This is more of a philosophical question. But it's just asked you to consider all the psychological things that happen during each of these life stages and to consider which one you think might be the prime of life. And last, we have just a reminder to continue working on your paper assignment. If you haven't yet contacted me regarding your 3 psychological principles and your disaster scenario, please feel free to do so. It's not too late. And I'll get you feedback on those concepts and your topic. And again, it's going to be due Thursday, January 11th, which is at the end of Module 6. And just as a general reminder, all of the Module 5 activities and assignments, which we're now Module 5, are due on Sunday, January 7th by 5 a.m. And again, if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll see you soon. Bye.